a one-man coder, it'll never take off. That's what they said while they scoffed. No investors, no team, no press, no deals. Now they all want a piece. Tell me how.
So that wasn't too long. Welcome back, everyone, to more co-working the open source world here. Update things of our Linux distribution. Continuation. Let's come co-work ASMR with me with an excellent streaming connection. Also, my child made the coffee. Now it tastes like a candy coffee. Man, it's nearly pure sugar. Man, tastes like, I don't even know what it tastes now. Anyway, core things. Quite some updates there. Welcome back, everyone. Are we? How live are we? Hopefully live. Things. Video, audio, things are moving good. All right, Cairo clock. We were here. Here we were. Did this build? Oh, I think this didn't. Here we were. Cairo clock. Been penalized for shipping old stuff. I mean, do we need this? I mean, I guess the measure of things, like if it's only waste of time for us, guess delete. What is that here even? Because that probably doesn't exist anymore. That's like hours. What is it even? Yeah, you Google for this, you find some other. Some Princeton University, wonderful. Did FreeBSD have a download? I forgot. Yeah, basically, if it's so, FreeBSD only has so few architectures. Man, T2 has so many more. I guess delete. It's basically an example, and it's like, yeah. It is what it is. Patch welcome. Okay, LVM Lua is also some abundant thing. It was some LVM backend for Lua thing. Actually, I mean, no other distribution has it even. That was, what was it even? A JIT and static Lua compiler that uses. I mean, this wasn't the least useful of all the. Oh man. Server not. Ah, yeah, server not, of course not. Here's still some LVM Lua blob thing, LVM 2.8, thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, like, even if we would still, I mean, yeah, it didn't, it's like, yeah, it's what it is. if you implement this from scratch, it's probably easier to start from scratch than use it. So it is what it is. So this long run, we should find on some archives though. Oh, Debian div. Does it still div? Does this still download? Oh look, that's the downloads. Can you believe? Straight from kernel.org. It's probably just this div that's gone. Thank you very much. This will be gone the next time, right? I mean, that's we don't really need fixes here, but wait, does this not? Is this some main thing of like, does this load? Oh, that does load. I mean, x86-64 is probably a little bit, I guess YOLO, huh? Why did we even have that? They never had. Oh, for test building, that's helpful though. Because like this, it doesn't select NT2 anymore. No such file directory. Wonderful. Oh, is it? G-set. Why is that not? How did this disappear? Have you used Kali? No, I only use T2 Linux. Here, have you used T2 Linux? Because it's... What does Kali mean? I have no idea. I only know what T2 means. I don't know why you always ask me this is all Linux distributions that nobody's using. I thought everyone is on T2 Linux already. Good morning, everyone. Long run cached things. Wait, why does the version not? Oh, we had 22.1 that didn't even change something. Okay, okay, Boomer. Let's make that even better, because that should best use that. I mean, that's less secure, but then at least we know it's the same as it has been. C or C++? Of course C++. So, amazing. What do they even have here? 0, 9, nah. Can you guys there be a little bit? What's up with your hostility? Cringe? What is cringe? I don't know what's cringe. Mr. Schmidt. Yeah, that is also a bit strange. Not sure what's going on with this version things. I only read OK Boomer. They wrote this in YouTube. I didn't say this. I read comments. The YouTube people fight there with their 12-year-old and boomer things. I'm not sure what's. Why do you suggest C++? Because C++ is better in C. It has already plus plus in the name. Why do you discuss this still? That's a 25-year-long settled thing. So, made utils and terminal things. Look, real updates. What's data doing? Oh, here's a 2. Or so many matchbox things. Oh wait, no, that's the same. What's going on here? Yeah, I don't know what's up with this stuff here. Maybe because it's interim release, like maybe, but that's not helpful. It's not helpful at all. What should I? Yeah, I guess it literally makes no sense to use that here if somehow this modern software distribution makes no sense, man. From every package I need to Google here, where's the latest release somewhere. Somewhere there, but not that. Man. You guys are funny, man. The YouTube guys, YouTube viewers, Linux, man. Oh, maybe it's not XZ, maybe it's GZ. Here's screensaver, here it is. I mean, maybe training an LLM to change this, I don't know. Besides, it would not be reliable, right? Things, GitHub things, yes. I just found it. We did a couple of those this morning already. Thank you, first time chatter. Appreciate your effort. Oh, my coffee is killer, man. My 6-year-old made me coffee and it's full of sugar, man. Oh. This tastes like a Coca-Cola version of coffee. Oh, it's more coffee than sugar. Man. Yeah, it's Oh, shit. Why did this not download? Damn it. It didn't download. Oh, damn it. Why not? Damn it. Oh, it is xset. Oh, shit. Sorry, committed too fast, committed too fast and too furious. Oh, did I Control C? Did I? Oh no. Control C, but not fast enough. There. Mistakes are sometimes made, unfortunately. If you move fast, you break things. Made terminal, made utils. Man. Did I click this enough? I think I need to get the water. Like this is literally, this is. I get stomach pain from the sugar content of this coffee. Oh, you all, what has Kid done? I'm not a fan of this. Why does it do that? I hate that. Thought that counts. Yes, exactly. So cute of him. Totally. I'm so with you. So it's probably fine. Then utils, right? Not sure if I clicked it enough. That is the thing with this modern stuff, right? You touch it a little bit and it's like, how does it help if it's so imprecise that it's like, did I touch it? Did I not touch it? Just copy and paste stuff, but hey, it did. Ooh, that's quite some tips. I'm not sure if I'm ready for the steps here. It's probably fine. I mean, yeah, some real updates. So we did this. I mean, here, theme. Oh wait, no, this is download stuff. Matrix SSL probably break stuff if someone wants to work on this. What is that here? Made. Why does this not? Why does this not compute? Did we delete this? Not sure what we. Does it map to some other package name? What's going on with that thing? Ah, Python. Wonderful. So we renamed it to. What is the latest version? 14.1. Peace be upon us. I hope so. Do you know Linus Torvalds personally? No, I don't. And I have. He doesn't. I have no wish. He has no time. And the rest is history. Maybe we should send him a copy of T2 Linux for birthday. Maybe he will like it. Developer first, ultra low code things. Mail 2719. It has played. At least like this, we keep our T2 activity high, but why does all this stuff always not match here? Also, this is somehow disabled by default. Not sure what's going on here. It looks like Abundanware. Okay, not really in the mood for that thing. Patch will come. Motive. Oh, there is some motive. Mouse emo might have been for PowerBooks. Mouse emulation daemon. I think it's probably a PowerBook here things. The question is, do we still need that? Probably not really. That's probably, oh, you Google this first to T2 Linux. Well, yeah, I mean we had state, or like we had top-notch PowerPC support, right? Even back in the day, like 25 years ago, I made T2 the PowerPC, the best IBM Power supporting distro, and already 25 years ago, nobody fucking cared. Like this was completely, like this was so bloody polished. It heard. Like everyone in my university with a PowerPC was using this. Like T2 PowerPC was so good, I converted everyone I ever met in my university there. Man, so many missed opportunities. In retrospect, I don't even really know what we could have done better to become more popular. It's just that some people of some other distributions always worked somewhere big, like IBM and Red Hat and stuff. And even then, 25 years ago, Heise did not write about us, right? It's always Yellowdog. Like Yellowdog was so garbage. Like Yellowdog, like oh my god, Yellowdog was so bad. Oh, it hurts. Like just reliving this history, it hurts, man. Here's Mouse Emo plus Debian patches. What version do we have? 0.16. That's somehow not that 16. Yeah, in retrospect, maybe we should have attended more events. I don't even know, man. It's somehow often missing critical mass. Like enough, although I had everyone at my university with a Power Mac converted. Like literally my best friend, my brother, like even my brother was on PowerPC T2 Linux. And he's not even a Linux user. He was just an anti-Windows user. Man, what were we missing? Except maybe binary updates. Man, I don't know. Oof. I guess after you can complete money, you can't compete with the money other package projects have. Yeah, that's kinda. Yeah, I mean, Yellowdog Linux was commercial, but like it was so Yellowdog was so bad it hurts. It still hurts just thinking about it. Oh man. Yeah, let's make 2026 the year of T2 Linux. I think after some more hours of update things here, which is we cannot really automate this much. We cannot tell him. I mean, okay, I guess theoretically we probably could give an LLM control and it's like on and loop it like loop LLMs of like loop go over all the packages and modify until Repology up to date. But yeah. After this, I guess we need to do some notifying websites. But hey, we are on Flatpak, man. We are now mentioned on Flatpak, right? Am I logged in here? Oh, I'm logged in here. Look. KDE edited the post. Wonderful. I had probably posted here. Here. We are on FlatHub now. Look at that, right? It's not like we make no progress. Oh, there is a URL with space. Holy, that's a little bit. So that we need that for all the major projects, right? Like next, we need to do a marketing offensive here of being mentioned bloody everywhere. It's basically what you can do at home, right? Like just go there on popular websites and send them a GitHub pull. Not found, man. Even archive. I mean, archives as good as they can. Look here, 16. Look, we peel this out of archive. No problem. Sometimes. I mean, we could kind of probably delete this. This kind of stuff is just kinder. Hey, we have 25 years of history. We probably mouse. Geez, the compressed data is this confusion again. Like I hate this. This is some strange archive thing. That sucks, man. I'm not a fan of this. This stings. I understand that historically this header, this transparent compression stuff was a bit of a pain, but that stings. Yeah, this was a common thing in the early days of web shit, like 25 years ago. It's a bit of a pity that we archive this nonsense, but it's what it is. Is this name not? Is this not a high-profile name? This Colin? Was he not some PowerPC at IBM or Red Hat? Oh, that even built. Look. Yeah, we need to do this nice with microkernel drivers and stuff, right? All those lib input things. Thank you, archive. I guess if the Repology guy, where's my I guess if the Repology guy would respond, I would probably get an email, right? Statement of account spam train. How is that shit still a bloody thing? MySQL, not a MySQL expert. How many distributions are there to choose from? 2,547, but many of them are not particularly great. So what do we have here? MT Paint stuff, MSR tools, random stuff. Oh man. it not download or what? Oh, that was an Intel thing. That's, I mean, it's probably not check version thing anymore. Let me guess, that's gone. Also a zip, because Intel software distribution zip thing. Ah, wonderful. I guess that's gone. Everything archive.org. I mean, at least we know which things are gone and where we get it from, because given that Repolo does not process it as valid update things, it's kind of moot. It's like how basic, I mean, do you need these basic tools often? No, but that's there is some GitHub Intel, thank you. Was archived, does it have download? It has text. Yeah, but it's somehow not, I don't know, 17 sounds, I mean, we could switch to that thing there. Oh, damn. What is this? Info for this page. Man, I hate this. I mean, it's crazy that this totally didn't archive. How the heck did this not bloody archive? I don't understand. I mean, we could do this MSR thing of GitHub archive thing. Like, are you bloody kidding me? Void. Packages things of look. Something has that there, but maybe that's our entry, I don't know. Even Debian, but maybe that's Repology. Is this Repology? Spreading our version. Yeah. Not amazing. Did they have any changes here ever? 4 years ago. Archive. Victor merge. I mean, we could literally update this to whatever latest things were here. That would be the most. Seven here, delete 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. I think this works. Yeah, don't delay, do such things at home today. Yeah, a lot of things don't do releases. Oh, something doesn't apply there. Maybe some hotfix things of page. And the question is fix segfold. Hotfix the segfold. Sounds important. PR? Well, why does PR sec fall? Do I need to know that? Let's hope that version works. Oh, this version does not. Oh, maybe auto gen shit of autoconf. Of course, auto gen crypt. Auto gen set. So, hello, what's the best? Books, materials, links development. Oof. Most promising path always depends on what you want to do. Oh, this autogen circle starts again. No, this shit doesn't build anymore. Wonderful. Basically not my department. Basically we care about cosmetics today. If you want us to build, send a patch. Wait, was it even 0? Ach, then maybe I committed this prematurely because... Ach, damn, I did this wrong. Ach, YOLO. Next thing. Yeah, Gnash, we should kind of get that from somewhere. I mean, here's some random version. It doesn't even sound too bad. Where is it coming from? Random get shit. FreeBSD ports. Hey, of course they pretend the FreeBSD stuff is the most up to date. Git mirroring things of yeah. So this Debian package is like, where is the original source of that? Gnash. Hey, they still have a website, can you bloody believe? All the GNU things. It's even linked there. Wow. Download GNU Gnash. Things, get Savannah things of snapshot things. Forbidden. Cool. This must be this GNU free software thing. Daily snapshots of on the web. Let me guess, all of the shit is dead. Latest beta. February 2020. Amazing. GNU Gnash. Things. Do they have you get somewhere? Repositories. Ah, here. Update with current status. What is the version that FreeBSD pretended to be? say that 2019 0130. 2019 0130. Okay, that's a pretty pointless thing, but we could do the same. Is there, can we download a Git of not being actively maintained anymore? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Does this thing have a tar download? I mean, otherwise we could. The thing is, this will not help us with repository if we do it the proper way for us. The proper way for us would be that here. 5.8 things. So this I only keep here for history preservation reasons. What do they pretend it is? 0811. Oh, I forgot to copy that here. I also didn't add Git. Yeah, somehow the last co-working ASMR stream's not the most successful. Maybe we need to do more interesting things again, like microkernel stuff, right? Graphics subsystem things. Also, I live streamed earlier. I think most people not up early enough or to work or things. Crossroads, damn it. So much crap here. It's like, why is this not doing anything? Wait, somehow that is strange. Oh, how did this happen? Wait, what? Oh no, actually that's correct. Why did this not get cloned? Oh shit. Damn it. Modern web stuff. Why is shit so slow? GNU, what's your server doing? I mean, we could try Git directly. Do we have, what is our Git? Just Git? during checkout. Oh, but that is, oh, it's also wrong. What error prompt shipment? Or modern distributed stuff. Oh, there is something coming. You had me at Qt3, I guess. YOLO. I mean, the funny thing is, can Repology verify this git checkout? I guess YOLO. Also, we don't really need bset2, right? We can zap. Could also set standard. Yeah. Someone wants to make this build. Be my guest. I mean, here's so strange versions. It's like this PS6 of, oh man. Means I don't even want to touch, like people just should do proper releases. So that's why we will never be 100% up to date, because there is just too much random crap here. I'm not even sure with this one. One of those I remember was binary only. I remember putting way too much time in. Like maybe one thing I didn't even find here. Like I also remember this thing. And this here is also, oh, there is actually a new version. Yeah, they unify your two versions. This will not go away though, but stupid stuff. What should I do? Oh, wait, this is the download, huh? Look at that, a real update. Soon we're below 500. Year peak up to dateness. Oh. I'm not really sure what's going on with this patch. What did we do here? Cannot compile Fortran things of error, like without Fortran it didn't want to build. Not sure what's going on there. If we ever need this again, we could patch it again. Yeah, whatever. If we, I should review it now, but I don't really want to. There goes an update. Why did I zoom in so much here? Yeah, it's just overwhelming. I mean, we had enough other things to do, right? That is why we waited here. Like, we didn't wait. We were very hard at work doing other things. I mean, why does data doesn't catch those, man? I mean, some things he will, like this is say just mixy everything. This is we will not solve this. Or maybe data just did this. Wait, what? 201 617 of what? Where am I? 201. 202. Why does this not? Why does this not come from repository? Yeah, this stuff, this like all of this stuff is the correct version. I mean, this is so frustrating. What a waste of time. Mean lib system, whatever. Could delete. Help server. Surfing web browser things 44 things 4 of what curse stuff. I guess patch will come. How altruist, but major versions that we just deleted, this we touched. Yeah, this lure things here. Magic. Yeah, we just don't do every. This is some things will be they are what they are. That we did. Oh, NVIDIA. Wonderful. Oh, this is just merging stuff. Okay, here's this break stuff we cannot update really. I mean, maybe we should update sooner, but like it's the last time we tried it broke stuff. Oh, power view. I think this was a KDE thing. Check some error. Scientific. One thing was, oh, that's kitware stuff. Oh, yeah, wonderful. What version 611? I only package this for kicks and giggles because big things. The download here, of course, being crazy. My eyes. Python. What did we even download? PowerView. Where do we have bloody sources? Man, holy shit. Oh, come on. Oh, what did those people program with copy and paste? This is what's the holy... How can copy and paste be so fucked up? Or does this not... Is this not a link? Oh, you can't make this shit up, man. ParaView, by the way, does it not work with that? If we... By the way, does... This JavaScript, huh? Does it download like this? Okay, maybe this doesn't work like this. Not sure how we concatenate this. Maybe with a slash, I don't know. Oh, because we had... Oh wait, I did this wrong. Just to keep it minimal. I would theoretically think it should possibly work like that, but this is ridiculous, man. No, it doesn't. Pity. It was worth a try. I mean, we could possibly... I mean, maybe our script appends a slash, I don't know. What was it? What is in my coffee? Not sure what's in my coffee. Untested stuff. Here was, okay, PCC. Probably doesn't download. Oh, holy man. Oh, my lifetime. For what? PCC releases. What's so crazy is like universities do compilers and then shit disappears, or what? Man, if I would do a compiler, I would like make sure it's bloody downloadable. PCC, select build direct. PCC portable C. Man, even this historic stuff you cannot just download anymore. Select where, select builds direct link. That's us. Maybe another day after we clarify what's up with repology things. What's with P3? That's some user space NFS thing. I mean, yeah, it's vintage, but it's also königliche. Like, seriously? Königlich.de. Why do we have two maintainers here? That's certainly two of myself too many. Yeah, that's somehow gone. I'm pretty sure this was a mounting. Oh wait, oh, that's not NFS, that's Symbian phone. P3 over NFS. Oh, holy shit. Because there's also user space implementation thing of. Okay, there is something. It's actually even still like there. Oh, come on. Copy and paste cannot be that difficult. First it doesn't paste and paste twice. Okay, download things here, 519 things. Copy, what do we have, 519? Oh, update. Look, an update. Look, man. For your PDA. Oh. I could cry. Who implemented this copy and paste bullshit? Like nothing bloody copy and paste here reliably anymore. What is a colorful Wayland shit helping me if it doesn't reliably copy and paste, man? I could run our T2 script. I could also just do it. Oh, is... Oh no, it changed to HTTPS. Is this the only change? Were we the only distribution to ship that? Oh look, are we the only distribution to show? Like, holy, don't delay, migrate to the best and only, the best and only operating system. Add serial, what's that even about? TTY things of what the heck? I have no idea why we did that. Did I do that? Oh, I did. Someone. I did this. Rejected submaster patch with fixes? What? What do you mean rejected? I have no idea what I mean with rejected. 21 years ago. Is there none up? Like, holy, no update since 2005. Holy chipmunks. Yeah, T2 Linux, the distribution to use if you... Did I not? Oh, I didn't. Excuse me. I mean, I surely could patch that, but... Oh, more? I should surely review this, but then... From when is this release? Oh, RPC types. Okay, YOLO. Maybe we have a package for that. So next time I use a Symbian thing, I will give it a try. Thank you for the healthy blessing. And that's maybe something. Does someone of you want to update this here? Oh, look, a Nautilus. Why did this not? Why does this not? Oh, because I guess that needs to be in the same directory, maybe. No? Oh, damn it. What did we... Oh, man. What's going on with that thing? $52.2, yes. 52.222. Why does it not download 52.2? Okay, whatever. Ah, because the problem was just the I just didn't re-download this enough. amazing NBD things. Why did this not automatically? GitHub things, NBD early things. Oh, what's up here with maybe they renamed their tag differently this time? NBD2 things. Oh, they capital. Oh no, there's a lowercase NBD2. Oh, they didn't do a manual thing here for manual things. Yeah, that is a super time-consuming thing, right? Every release here differently. You load sometimes some release asset, sometimes not. Oh, damn. Copy and paste not working. I think this could work like this. Oh, wait. 3.271. Or not. Oh, that surely ain't great. Office background noise simulator. Which office background noise simulator? Ugh. Oh, it's NBD. Oh, this is so stupid. This is so stupid. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It really hurts. What a future to be alive. Oh man, what's going on here? Why did I shorten this? Why did I waste my time shortening this link for nothing? This is funny though, that it has NBD 327. Oh, because it was all the time not working because I didn't touch this here. Oh, damn it. Oh man, it hurts. Either this works. Yeah. Will it build? I do not know. And it doesn't. It probably needs autogen or whatever. What is this? Hello? Yes. Or actually, okay, either this or that, or yeah, marketing, right? I mean, sure, technical marketing. We could also do a colorful website, but at the end of the day, this also improves T2 Linux. Hey, is this even build? If you want, it's the latest thing of get things. And cache video. So finally, things, whatever ND does. This thing doesn't download. Tiny command line web dev. Why is shit always disappearing, man? It's gone. Wonderful. I mean, the crazy what I mean, sure, nobody pays for open source, but the people do stuff and then it disappears. Like that's just oof. I mean, I never use this, I guess. Who packaged this? What should we do with it? Oh, here's Stefan Paletta. Stefan Paletta. Crazy times in 2004. Who would have thought? Let me guess, not updated since 188. Wait, what? Maybe the version was wrong. I guess find on, I mean, okay, we could. Hear me out. Archive. I mean, do we really need this? Probably not. Team, what we thinking? Delete more often, or like this just disappeared, or recently disappeared, or longer already? Casino side. Oh, not found here. The most important archived things. Hear me out. Not found. Should maybe not be cached. Oh, here. And things. WebDev interface things. Here. 082. What did we got? 082 here. Oops. ND things. GSet things. Doesn't match. I hate this. This is such a waste, man. Maybe we should write archives that they should fix their GSet. Compression implementation detailed things. Do you think it's possible to become a good programmer after the age of 25? Of course. Look at me. I'm 35 or so and still. You just need to learn, right? Like you do not, like a lot of people think like, so basically programming is also like you need to like, I mean, first of all, you need to be really good in logic and math already. So like if you have no history with logic and math and stuff and are not good in this, then maybe not. I think what most people, 29 exactly, yes, sorry, 29 D&a-half or so. Programming is like arts, and some people are just not good in it. Like, I'm not good in art. I mean, maybe I would if I practiced, but I never practice. Like, so like painting and stuff was like in school I wasn't like, maybe I was okay-ish, but like I probably was okay-ish, but like I didn't practice painting at home, right? Like, so you become what you practice all day long. So and not everyone needs to be a programmer, right? But what most people, like that's also with this AI thing, people think they AI slop a little bit and they are like master Jedi programmers. And it's like, no, you need to really put work and passion, and you need to be passionate and stuff. Like if you're not passionate, then like, so here's some, like if people want to work on those updates, like if you want to be a programmer, like maybe practice some copy and paste things and send some T2 updates to practice good old Git and Subversion practice thing. Like here, potentially some real update things. Okay, the thing we just did, or PCC, actually PCC is I think this was even the default compiler on some BSD things. People think they are programmers now, that AI exists. Yeah, totally. Yeah, people think they AI prompted once and they are like Linus Torvalds level of the road to whole operating system from scratch kind of things, right? With a half-assed gamer math of I shot some people in Half-Life or whatnot, Counter-Strike. So PCC. I mean, I'll be first to other things because PCC does currently not yet register on Repology. So that's a little bit, I mean, we could do it. Then we have it tracked in T2 that this didn't download, and we switch to archive. The thing is, even to the next, like, there is so much invalid crap on Repology that I did also not update yet. Like, just getting to the next level is hard now with all this crap they put in like all the roadblocks they throw our way. Okay, that we have done. Flat buffers YOLO. What is flat buffers? .1. I have no idea. Is this something real? That's GitHub, Google Archives things. Thank you very much. Maybe some distribution fake.1. Oh, damn it, yeah, surely IP address, surely. Not found, yeah, I guess so. The thing is, all the stuff I submit there, holy shit, what the fuck is that even? 2619 random shit, like, are they drunk? Like, what do they do there? Since then, do we do, like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that even? Is this a .1 thing? Fix for rules, Swift compatibility. Oof. I don't even know, man. Python beginner, I want to improve Python. Intermediate things, start letting see things. Do you like Python? No, I do not like Python. Python is one of the things I hate the most. Actually, I think I hate Python more than Rust. Like, if you thought I don't like Rust much, if you thought I hate Rust, like, no, I don't like Rust. But Python is, I think I hate Python more than Rust. Here's some Pike thing. Pmond. Some cursed random version things of previous. I had done something the other day. At least I thought I did. S maybe. It's really a lot of stuff, you all. Like, it's a really lot of cursed old stuff. Here, look at this. The thing is that the stupid things, they do not auto-convert from Repology because their naming is so meh. They named this so stupidly that this doesn't. Wait, what? Oh, which is here even which, man? Yeah, this is like they name it stupid, other people name it differently stupid. At the end, everything is stupid. It's like, yeah. No, that's a bit of SDL things. Oh, even if I have unpack off. Python versus Rust, yeah, exactly. Yeah, not everything you see in IT is amazing. Like, it's shocking how many things in IT are not amazing, you all. Just because so many people use Python, it's like... untested, but probably fine. What's Samlog? Doesn't download. Oh, man. That is a bloody time. Like, yeah, I sound like a broken record, but it's not fun to open your one thing after another and like... oof. Yeah, we would need follow-up, right? Like basically, what stops you from sending? Oh, it has moved. It has moved. Of course, it has moved. It has moved. Of course, it has. Oh, damn it! Tabs is wrong. Tabs is too much. Oh, come on. Zenlog. Why is this name so shitty? Modern things use Codebear, get shitty names. At least when you tag it strangely. So let's see Codeberg things of Zenlog things. I guess. British Zenlog, seriously, he's managed things of. I only checked because the series is so strangely high. Thank you, apology, for forcing us to find this update. Yeah, here is some stuff that sometimes broke. I'm aware of that. Oh, here, look at that. Some random cachy things of who knows. What's the situation with Rust and Linux kernel? High profile Linux kernel, people press it through. I guess most people don't mind or don't care enough. The situation is it's established and it's there to stay. Unless there is a popular fork of the Linux kernel without that. This also didn't download. Oh, because it's 6. Oh, damn it. The problem is, last year we found this better because there was not so much junk in Repology. Like now there is so much junk in Repology that we, like with 500 random shit updates, like we don't see that as much anymore. Here's also Swiftlang. Oh, and sysprof. I mean, there are some real updates hiding between all this stuff, man. What was it? Sysprof and Swift. TDB, what's going on there? Oh, we're building this in the background. Ah, damn it. Cool, gonna do some fight sim soon with Twitch. Fight sim? Flying and what? Flight sim. Soon on Twitch on. Why does this Steam? I don't know, because I wasn't careful, because I overlooked that. Because code AI slop wipe things update packaging this show apology maybe not apology Unix scripting. OAI. Gonna do some flight them soon. You mean like today? You mean to rate to you? Wasn't even aware you were Twitch streaming. What else do we have here? Coding, scripting. YOLO. Building things. Finish things. TV thing. Building things. And that's probably fine. I'm done here with this stuff. So this is prof T2 updates. This is profi things of sysprof things of 50. Wonderful. Which does it have 50 0? What do they have here? No, 50. What's the problem with this 50 0? Tar exit. Oh, wait. But wait, why did we not commit this? It's fully there. How did we miss this? Oh, because gazillion dependencies. Okay, well, it's probably untested. Okay, thanks for the head up. Surely can rate you to that. I'm always looking for interesting things to rate to. Sometimes surprisingly hard. What's going on? Oh, we have only 1500 o'clock. What's going on in my business world? Things of crazy business emails for things. Then sysprof. We did sysprof Swift. So some things need some fixing. That probably doesn't even match. 632. I guess this never built. Some things I packaged and never built because so cursed that even I couldn't. Yeah, 1 second, it didn't build. Like if someone is here hyperly motivated, I mean, maybe it needs to be built with Cling. Whatever that is about, not downloading. TCP tracer. Some of those things I remember. Maybe I checked and didn't find. Thunderbolt utils. Which of this are this even? Thunderbolt. Is it the stuff I did delete? Intel deleted. Base even, LOL. So Intel deleted that. I forked it, but I guess a fork doesn't have the text, does it? Why does, by the way, why is this not forked with text? Webcoder? No, override, not webcoder here. Did they had here any release techie thing of which, what do we do with this thing? Actually, we could. We could like switch to my fork to saving Intel's garbage code. I have on my to-do like maybe makes this code not totally suck. Not really my best time spent, but oh man, I copy and paste differently. Inter, yeah, that's gone. Yeah. Git. Wait, I think we could straight. We should be able to download that. Where was it? Like this. Archive. What's this URL? Does it not copy and paste on? Could straight switch that to that. Chrome is. Does it do something or does it not do something? So that is GitHub.com things archive. I think it should work like that. Maybe it just needed time to. Oh wait, did I fat finger then? Yeah, just found this. Thank you. Yeah, so this source code completely sucks. See my previous live stream. It's fine enough. Isn't it funny, as shouted out on Phoronix as the latest and greatest amazing new package from Intel? Oh, I did something wrong here. And T2 is the only Linux distribution that has that after shouting out how garbage the code quality is. By the way, what's the office heat doing, the basement heat? What's Ripple? What their stuff doing? Yeah, we're not jumping 3% instantly. This is super. Okay, this didn't even update the most yet. Yeah, still 501. Wonderful. Thank you very much. All our hard work not yet even showing. Oh, there is a new util Linux version. Why did this not? Or did it just release today? Why did I not commit this? I don't understand. Didn't download? Oh, the whole download thing is. Yeah, that can't download. Per version subdirectory, so important. At least some more of a major update thing to be found. Yeah, some versions here are meh. If someone wants to figure that out. And we could fake the version to make Rapology happy. VLC. Nah. Oh, here, 2025 update things of hopefully mean, I think this libx script is not really valid. That's only maybe glibs. It's okay. We could also just commit it like this. I mean, okay, theoretically it is. It is a full cache in case of parallel build, so I guess theoretically. So cache. Yeah, super minor things. We do not do each of them. I mean, theoretically we could. Oh, there's also vasilipsy. Just didn't download. Wonderful. I mean, this is such a waste, right? Like, there should be some version. Like, is it real? Is it not real? I mean, we need to. Maybe we really need to train a robot, like an AI or so. Shell scripting using C code. Yes, exactly that. Wait, did they say 33? Oh, that was some bullshit. I think I reported this already a month ago. There's something wrong with some distribution is shipping vasilipsy out of some other thing. Yeah, make ports, like literally they get this wrong. Like they literally have a wrong version in there, and Ripology like just go YOLO. The T2 guy complains like he just like nah, not touching this. So there they say 11 to 0. Okay, there comes something down the internet pipe. Yeah, this is basically not my department. May or may not work. Packages, things welcome. What was the Vulkan version we could? Yeah, basically every other version after some days we update, because otherwise this stuff doesn't build and it's too out of things. So let's see what we got here. Did this all download? Because sometimes it doesn't. Looks like it did all download, huh? Other things. And to be fair, untested just because. No typo there. What else? This I didn't find. I remember checking this. It's yeah, I need to check it more. Wireless RecDB apparently. Name mismatch. Thank you very much. Wait, what? Oh, this didn't download. Oh man. Imagine how many Linux distributions I could write with that time for that stupid stuff here. Excuse me. Wireless snapshot. Why is master 530? Oh, because they have the version stupid from Ripology. Ach, damn it. Because Ripology does here some funny version from some other distro. Oops. That's better, huh? Does it build? What did they even do here? Oh, Courier 6 gigahertz things of allow things in Russia things. Amazing. Okay, that doesn't download. Most important package. Oh, that does download. What is their issue then? Oh, this thing failed. The check failed for them. What's this even reason? That's 2020. What's your problem with? Oh, they changed the compression. They fucking recompress this. What's bloody wrong with bloody people? Like, are you bloody completely fucking kidding me? Like, I have no word of all this unprofessionalism, man. Couldn't thing. Couldn't what? You can't make this shit up. 100 milli connect to server port 141. What? A Linux TV? What is even going on here? I could get $1 for each time this shit doesn't copy and paste for this well in future, man. Be rich. Failed to connect after 190 milliseconds. What the fuck is going on there? Like, oh, that didn't. What is going on there? What a waste of time. I hate this. Is our office IP blacklisted for... How dare you run a Linux distribution from your basement? We need to blacklist your IP address, or what the fuck? Like they blacklisted our IP address for querying updatability once a day? Or what the fuck is going on here? I don't understand. I don't understand. Why do people do that? I don't get this. This is so unfriendly, hostile, modern. Like when I had the V90 modem, the internet bloody fucking worked. Like these days, like every you click somewhere like proof of human, proof of not AI bot, like IP address blacklisted because how dare you run a Linux distribution? I don't even know anymore. They think we are a bot. We are the Borg. We're not a bot. We are the Borg. Resistance is futile. So I'm not in the office. I'm not even in Germany. Like, it works like from my desk here with like fiber to my like optical fiber shit. Like, it's like, go fuck yourself. It's like, son of a bitch, man. This is pure whole bitch bullshit. Like, I really don't deserve this waste of time shit. Like, how dare we make a Linux distribution work for the people? It's like, I can't anymore. And the irony is we had the latest version like from 6 years ago. Like, yeah, the world's least important software of Linux TV org from all like the most abandonware software of abandonware. And they like, man, you're not having it. Like, you're surely not having works fine with the VPN. You getting this with GNU org? Other days it works fine without. Like, holy shit, this is stupid. I mean, GNU org is just slow for me. At least I thought it's slow. I mean, maybe they rate limit. I have no idea. Like, this is such a time wasting shit. I mean, why make software if you then don't allow people to download this? Like, nah. I don't get this. Also, they recompress this files. They surely must have downloaded like GSAP. Like, someone went in there. Like, someone went there and recompressed the files because they couldn't afford a floppy of storage, or I don't know what. It's like, man, this is stupid. Gatekeeping their precious XW, their XOR TVs. That surely must be it. So this probably went away. Oh man. I think this website is like not found right. Does this still work? This also recently reading GNU org to learn cookie preference, copy Linux local of not really much take except this is still registered, redacted. If we get this, it exists, right? Domain not found. Okay, so that one is found. Just yeah, why this historic software is not there is hilarious. Like, that's the thing, right? If I would have done that, I mean, I would keep it there archived. I don't get this. What people do. It's like, I don't know, y'all. It's really mad. 2 snapshots a day. Here. Copy link things of. Does it help us with Repology? No, but at least we know it doesn't download. Oh, that was, I think it was on the mirror. Or was it? Yeah, it's probably on our mirror. For 20 years on our mirror. SourceForge, XMX things, XMS. Google AI, you know that we're not web coding here, right? How dare you ask the AI overlords? It's funny that they have XMS though on SourceForge. That's funny. I mean, okay, we could, like, using this would help us with, but wait, what? This is not the latest version. This is not 11. This is some old crap. That's not the latest shit. That is some old shit. Yeah, I'm only saying, I'm joking a little bit, right? I'm just trying to have fun. Tomcat, not my department. Oops, didn't press C enough on this cardboard board. Wait, Tomcat doesn't version trans, doesn't repository match. 11.022. Why does this? Maybe we need here CV match to, oh, that is to Apache Tomcat. We could rename it, or like we could CV TR repology, like CV repology Tomcat things. How long does it build? A second. Binary or source? That's something. Oh dear, what it does. Extract here things of here, even test build, and a little bit cleaned up, a little bit sorted. Okay, Thunderbolt we just did. Okay, UEFI tool crap. Yeah, you could sit here whole months, right? Unfortunately, I mean at that speed, oof, whole months, right? I mean GTKMM is man. Okay, we have been here earlier. Something where we have not been yet. H Hexchat 302. I mean, one of you could try those things here, like the major things that need a little more testing and review. HPLib here is majorly, why is this so outdated? Oh, that's totally not there. Okay, and this here, oh wait, no, not this here. Okay, this doesn't download or whatever. All right, this thing here I wanted. I don't think the minus AI thing works anymore. Yeah. Update things. Doesn't match any. Seriously, what the heck? Was it 11 or? Oh no, it's not 11. What was the name? 5. What's the name with HDF? Okay, this doesn't download. Oh, damn it. God damn it. What's with all those cursed versions? Have mercy. Oh, shit. Don't delay or release proper stuff today. 211. 211. Why does this not bloody match? What have they done here? 211. Tarchi said. Why does this do bloody nothing? Oh, underscore, not underscore of like, they bloody changed this. I mean, they changed this too. Oh, this is also wrong. What was the name? HDF. You cannot make this shit. One day like this, one day like. This is also wrong. Why do I need to click everything twice, man? That's not fun. What? Oh. Man, I soon throw my keyboard, computer, and everything out of. This can surely not be that difficult. HD5 things, tar gzip, does this download? Extra one from. Oh, I didn't update this here. Oh, damn it. Initially got an extra one, but the rest, like this underscore doesn't underscore, and it was at least the underscore. But did I not? I thought I deleted the extra one from the copy. Okay, what else is going on? Linux kernel updates. Oh, here we can ship it. We can hear Linux kernel updates. Yay! Another one. This package, another package. Let's see. Then look at that. Yeah, the change from archive ref text to, yeah, amazing. Here, future, bam, tested. Then Linux kernel things. Then let's hear me out. T2 update Linux kernel 7.0.13. Things T2 CLI Linux. Let's pre-test this. 13, 12, 13 things. I had prepared 7.1. What did they even do for 7.1? Oh, not much. This is a true emergency update, you all. Azure Cobalt 100. Can't make this shit up. That's crazy. Microsoft's own. Oh no, that's all the TLB things for all the ARM things. You cannot make this. That's. Yep, the future of use ARM. Here. Bam. Oh, not up to date thing. I think data did something stupid. Shit. Damn it, data. We need to fix this. We need to fix this urgently. I don't really have a wish to fix it. What a bad luck that data did just run this just a minute ago. Yeah, we urgently need to fix this. This cannot stay like this. Shall I subscribe? Doctor, how you doing? How's your web coding? How's your Athenium? Look, we have we catch up with mine fully here. T2 update Linux 7.1.1 professional ship 1.1 version. Tested with 486 restore and other net drivers restore. Things 777 stuff here. Mine remove desktopy things. And then what did we Linux kernel break today? Linux just updates. Why do you use VI? Is it better than Vim? This is Vim. Also, I don't care, just give me editor. Like, this is Vim disguising as VI, and why did this not download? What did I do now? What did break here? Oh, here, that here. 777 patch. What? Oh. How did this happen? Or maybe that was garbage keyboard over. I cannot possibly press this that often, that's impossible. Rust mostly works, just a bit annoying that libc, Rust libc wrapper is arch specific, lots of packages, pin specific version, yeah. Amazing, right? That's the Rust future I warned you all for, but you didn't listen. You didn't want to believe. You wanted to believe. The Rust overload, lower things, marketing, lower things. Yeah, Rust and cargo ecosystem completely not amazing. This is completely meh. Maybe go tell them there. Okay, we can, you know what, we commit this already. Where did I hear? Did I do everything or not everything? Linux tip things of all the ARM patches need updates. Okay, the T2 patches still need updates. Yeah, the T2 stuff not really, like basically. Is this our side trackpad maybe upstream? Delete it, delete it. I guess I committed like this first and yeah, the ARM patches need ARM patching, and it's always the sad things that will do little to repology statistic things. Oh wait, did I do this one? It's because he doesn't have a crossover JBI. Yeah, but this pinning per version shouldn't like this. Like this, you have a you. It's really annoying to build something with a new arch edit. Because it's mostly truly important things. Yeah, probably like those things. Hear me out. We probably 15th. Which one is here? 21st. What day do we even have? 19th. It's the last year. Why is here? June 15th. June what? Not really sure what's the count here, but if I want to cross 7,000, I better hurry because before we get here to 61 and 100 a day a year ago, that would be hard to beat any 296 a day. Pardon ignorance, but what's a cross arch things? Back on example cross. Amazing. Did this move here already any? Yeah, certainly slowly. Oh yeah, this processed already, but this didn't. Actually, this is probably caching. Like it's if I Control R, maybe that moves a bit. 91.35. Oh, here below 500 again. Yeah, dealing with all this invalidness here, that's not fun. That's not fun. What do we do with the rest you all? That might be a real version. Oh man, this somehow doesn't. Why the heck does this not? 404. This doesn't even download. Oh, that's PR download. That's also not ideal. Someone didn't use the right URL there. Oh, that doesn't copy and paste. Oh god. Libre things. Come on, you can do it. But there is only 30. What did they? They claim 31. I don't see 31. What I see though is that this is not the URL we wanted to have. I think this becomes a little bit slower here, but of course Linux kernel building in the... Why is this so strange now? What do we download? Wait, was it? No, it was projects, right? Was it DL? Was it Z? Deja vu. download project. Download project. Wonderful, that also doesn't work. HTTPS download things project user. Why does this not work? Maybe this is why someone used it, because it didn't just work. Does this work? This works. Yeah. Probably more like this. But that also means there is something fishy with this bloody version again. Who has here .1? I mean, it's basically not even worth my time. I just hate that Repology takes this here as truth. Three, 5, 30. Where's 30? Oh, 3.5.30.1 Arch. How to click here? Arch Linux. Where? What do they download? Source files, things of due to influx of spammy things. Yeah, some good thing here. Good things. Source good things. Tech release. Wait, there is a tech. There is a release tech. But they didn't download anywhere. But here's 3.5.30. What the bloody shit. Did they not say? That's bizarre. Git code things, git things. You can't make this coarseness up. Git looks like a problem with the bloody side. What a waste of everything. I mean, I should not even kinder. Oh, you had me at this shit. Who wants to deal with that? They do patches without, I mean, Arch. GitHub distro tag mirror of git code source forge. 3.5 what they take here Debian? What the fuck? Debian tags, wonderful. Does this not have a what a waste? I mean, the problem is, I mean, it's absolutely a waste of time. Why do they have Debian tags? Wait, what? Git code source forgenet? What the heck? Here is some .1. Why is this stupid? It's totally not reverse over time. I mean, if I report this, I mean, now we have seen there is some tech, but the problem is if we switch this to Git, it's also less efficient to download, and yeah, it's kind of totally not worth it. It's only problems. It's so many random crap here. That's a problem. Yeah, so here's a lot of like Xstroke, Xsane doesn't bloody download. What's with XOS View 2? Is that also the 5? There is a 5. What? Doesn't exist? Oh, damn it. Yeah, that is why our yeah, this doesn't map to as you see. Wait, what? XAV3D stuff doesn't. I mean, maybe I have a local modification from repository. No. So is this not GTK now? Was it not GTK? I thought they vastly rewritten this thing. But hey, it's tested, whatever. I mean, hey, at least 4 hours of my time spent. Yeah, that's what people don't see, right? Running news distribution, like if you want to be halfway decently up to date, you need to put some effort into it. Maybe this is just HTTPS. Ubuntu users? What the? Xane links to Ubuntu users? Are you bloody kidding me? That's absolutely unacceptable. I mean, maybe they gave up because meh. Like that is serverless. I mean, yeah, this front end was never good. Again, 2 times maintainer. Because probably I touched this in my work as saying like that is not okay. Like that's garbage. Like why the fuck does it? Like you, why is there so much shit on the bloody internet? I mean, this front end was mad. Like there's a reason why people give me money for exact scan, because like, have you seen Xane? Like they mirror this on their own crap here. Like holy shit, is it stupid? I have no words. I have no words for this fail. I mean, don't tell me I make money with exact scan when like the most, not the most sophisticated, but not good front end for Sane isn't even really on the internet anymore. Man, you had one job. How about we archive that? Like, yeah, basically, it's basically, and then we soon call it a day. There's only so many 3 hours or whatnot of update things I can do a day. Basically, don't delay, send patches. When did they lose that? Not really. Yeah, people not scanning anymore except with exact scan. Don't delay, right? Switch to superior. Shit today, mostly for macOS. But if you're an institution or government and want to roll this out for Linux, we have a Linux version. For well-paying customers, we have a Linux version. But don't come with you want one license for Linux and sorry, unauthorized. Ugh, are you bloody kidding me? Are you bloody kidding me? Unauthorized archive bot? Like you don't want to be archived? Maintains a free minorities, use all laptop without any desktop, just runs VI. Yes, sounds like me. I even T2 Linux even restores console scrollback, right? I mean, this is ridiculous. This is outrageously ridiculous here. Tell me we don't have the Linux desktop by telling me Xane is gone. I mean, never was good, but now it's gone. Now it's on archive.org. Yeah, console scrollback. T2 has this restored. Yeah, that uncompressed, wonderful. Like this is so stupid. This is so stupid. This is so stupid, man. I sound like an old broken record, but it is so stupid. What should I do? When did this build the last time? Oof, how many old dependencies might it possibly need? I guess to be test built another day. Which other package did I remove my maintainer from? Then, last but not least, minus, where is minus, capital M thing. Capital M, I hope. Did I not capital M? Oh, that's capital M. Minus capital M. Which file was, maybe exact audio? But I committed this, so it's probably fine. Some package I was twice, something like that. But okay, well, probably fine. Yeah. Good that the state of scanning isn't better, so people buy exact scan. Okay, some Express probe, nah. That we did, right? Yeah, we did. Yoses, oh Yoses, there is Yoses. Also, it didn't build for me anymore. Didn't download. What the fuck? Why is every other download such a clusterfuck these days, man? You had one job, Claire, what you doing? Why do you release so? Once you did the Linux distribution, you should know what pain it is. Claire, can we get you to use T2 Linux again? Why does it not download? What's going on here? 066 uses source things of, oh, maybe they renamed it source. I could actually name it source here. Please edit source or whatever. I don't know. What's it? It's there. Yeah, the edit source randomly changes for changes. Didn't build for me anymore. You're losing frames somewhere. It says 0 frames though. I don't know. It looks okay in my preview. 30 of 30, 3% CPU load. 0 frames. Yeah, we also basically done. I guess you can warm up your flight simulator. How long do you need to start your flight simulator, Kuluk? I think I got to go soon. I think we're mostly done with random updates. But yeah, there was some real stuff in between. Highly appreciate that part. I don't appreciate the random changingness of random changes. More patches welcome, especially the good ones. Yaboot, seriously? Yaboot doesn't Yaboot anymore? Which one was this? What was that here? Yaboot? Was this Quake-like thing? Bizarre things. Okay, he also starts building. I guess we commit. Starts building, it's probably fine. It's going in park. I just had to press a start. Okay, it didn't build for patches welcome. Yeah, I guess 5 minutes. I guess here, what's the time? 23, yeah, maximum 5 minutes. We go any second if you want to start already. Yeah, I mean, maybe we do these two things here. Yeah, boot. Yeah, boot of things, release things, man, you cannot make this shit up. Oh man, bootloaders are also not what they once were. Yeah, that's apparently gone because maintainer side at OSLab is move to GitHub, release, move to GitHub. Okay, wonderful things on boot things of things. Look, we found something. Look, we found something. Copy. The problem is I have the suspicion this will not be the same source. Check some here. This is, yeah, because it's automatic. This will be another. Red text things of. Wait, the tag name is. It's the tag name. Of. Then we need the whole of that as here. Yeah, this will unlikely. That is impossible. That this is the same source because they didn't upload this. So that I should theoretically diff that not to get some random stuff. Yeah, it should be diffed for security, but how many changes did they do here in the last 15 years? None. Like migrated to GitHub for not making changes. Okay, boomers. Okay, you all. Fix your boot download to GitHub. To do div old release term all for security. So that's it then for today. I hope you learned something, especially that running Linux distributed in the basement is 24/7 time consuming endeavor, right? Let's rate you to Kuluk for some flight sim things, and I hope don't do this at home and send us patches because I cannot do this every day. As much as I love you, NT2 Linux, that's like here, peak up-to-dateness with a little bit workaday. And don't delay, try this amazing Linux distribution. Best today. second best tomorrow, and third best ASAP.